Hi everybody, welcome to Lotus Kitchen. So, any guesses what is this dish? This is paneer butter masala. It is looking so yummy. So why wait? Let's begin. So I have taken a kadhai and I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of butter. This is homemade butter. You can use Amul butter if you want. In goes chopped onions. I have taken 2 onions. Saute them till they are translucent. The onions are done. I'm going to add 1 green chili and in goes all the masala spices, dry spices. These are some cumin seeds, then coriander seeds, some long, 3 to 4 cloves I have taken, some peppers corns, 3 to 4, and cardamom, and also the bay leaf. Now the ratios of this tomatoes is more than the onions. If you take 2 onions, you have to take 5 to 6 tomatoes. Now let's cook this for 5 to 10 minutes without adding water till they turn mushy. Just cover it and cook for 5 to 10 minutes. Let's check. Just have a look at this. They have turned mushy and soft. This is a must to get that rich and creamy texture of your paneer butter masala. So now we'll add some cashews, and then some water. Till the tomatoes are fully covered with water, you can add that much water and then cover it and simmer it for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now this is done. Now switch off the flame and I'm going to transfer it into the mixie jar and blend it to a very smooth and fine paste. I ground this to a very smooth paste. Now the most important step is to strain this. I'm going to strain this. Strain this completely so that you get that creamy texture. This is a must which I follow, otherwise you don't get that nice texture which you usually get for that restaurant style paneer butter masala. I have strained this completely. Now this requires a lot of patience and efforts, but it's worth it. Just look at this creamy texture. Okay. Add some butter to the kadai. Add some ginger garlic paste to this. Wow, the smell comes out so good. Some Kashmiri red chili powder. I have taken 2 to 3 teaspoons of this. Now I'm going to pour this gravy into this. Lovely color. And now we are going to cook this for about 10 to 15 minutes. The gravy looks so rich and it's got that perfect silky texture. You can see this. Now let's check this. Wow, just look at this lovely color, those mild smell of those spices. Now I'm going to add some kasuri methi to this. And then some salt. And sugar. Paneer butter masala is a bit sweet, so sugar is a must for this, otherwise you don't get that nice taste which you usually get in restaurants. And finally I'm going to add some cream to this. So now this paneer butter masala is almost done. Now let's add the paneer pieces. Give it a nice mix. I'm going to cover this for 2 minutes and then let it cook. Now after 2 minutes, this is almost done. Now I'm going to transfer it to my serving bowl. Now this yummy paneer butter masala is ready. I'm going to enjoy this. You all also definitely try this recipe and let me know in the comment section below. Keep watching and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and keep watching, and thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye.